Hi Marco, actually we have many different options for the cover materials. For example, this is some fabric, soft fabric. This is a product we produced before. It's velvet fabric on the cover. And inside we insert some foam to realize the soft finish. This one is also soft fabric. And I will show you some different options. This is the, I hope you can feel the materials. It's fabric, clothes, very soft, very soft. This is this material is from one supplier, and we buy materials from suppliers. We don't produce this type of material. We use their materials. This one. Usually we use this type of fabric for the surface of planners, notebooks, or boxes, etc. And you can feel the materials. Soft surface. Many colors. This is from another supplier, and I will show you. This one is also fabric from another supplier. Please feel the material. Of course, I can take very clear photos for you to check the color. Many colors available. This is from one supplier. Besides the fabric, we also have many leathers, glossy leathers in different colors. Glossy. This is softer, very soft. The leather. They are all leathers, and we have some also many special, very special leather. Probably we can use them for our future products, or very high quality leathers. And many fancy paper. The copy leather, for example, is crocodile surface is very special. Actually, they are fancy paper, but in copy leather texture. Many different options. It's very classic texture in market. Okay, so I hope to know your ideas, and I can show you many options for your products. Okay, thank you very much.